Today we will be talking about the individual mandate. Federal tax reform legislation was signed into law on December 22, 2017, and contains a provision that eliminates the individual mandate penalty starting in year 2019. Some may have questions about how the elimination of the individual mandate penalty may impact their health coverage, and I will try to address these questions in this video and help you understand how the elimination of the individual mandate penalty may affect you. So let's start with the basics. What does this mean? Well, the only coverage-related change made by the new law is that the individual mandate tax penalty will no longer be in effect beginning in 2019. The health insurance coverage, including financial assistance, subsidies, tax premiums, will not change in year 2018. The individual mandate penalty remains in effect for 2018 coverage, which means you will need to buy insurance if you want to avoid paying a penalty in year 2018. Well, what does the elimination of the individual mandate tax penalty mean for consumers overall? For 2018, individuals who can afford health insurance but choose not to enroll for coverage will be required to pay a penalty. What is the penalty for year 2018? The annual penalty remains pretty much the same as in 2017 and is the greater of $695 for each adult and $347.50 for each child, up to $2,085 per family per year, or 2.5% of the tax filer's annual household income minus the federal tax filing threshold. For 2017, the same amounts apply. For individuals who do not buy insurance because it would be unaffordable for them in 2018, they may not be required to pay a penalty if they file for an exemption from the penalty. Please watch our video about the tax penalty and exemptions. Here's a table outlining the timeline for when the individual mandate penalty applies. Also, when you file taxes, you will need the Form 1095-A. This is your health insurance marketplace statement. You will receive it in the mail at the beginning of the year. You can also contact your agent and they can help retrieving the form for you in case you didn't receive it via regular mail. We always welcome likes, shares, and comments. Please feel free to comment under the video if you still have questions or something is unclear. If you have a specific question, please feel free to get in touch with me. I am a California insurance agent and will be glad to help you with specifics if you reside in California. As always, thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel Let's Talk Money for more videos.